Imagine making easy money from home every day without any experience. In this video, I'll reveal 15 websites where you can start earning money right away, all from the comfort of your home. From solving some questions to other easy tasks, these platforms offer opportunities for everyone. I've curated this list meticulously to ensure each website is legitimate and accessible. Plus, stay tuned for a free downloadable guide to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. As someone experienced in online earning, I'm committed to delivering valuable insights to help you succeed. Website 1. Do you think making money online requires specific skills? Let's explore. Imagine this. You're on 2capture.com, clicking on Work For Us, then hitting Start Earning Now. While it won't make you rich overnight like other platforms, it's an effortless side hustle requiring zero skills. It's not a game changer, but it's easy money. I'd rate it 1 out of 10 on the money scale. If you're looking to pad your wallet with some extra cash, this could be your go-to. Website 2. Imagine this. You're chilling, scrolling through your phone, and bam! You're making money. That's the magic of Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Install their app and voila! You're earning cash and even stand a chance to win in their monthly sweepstakes. But hold up, what's the catch, right? Well, there isn't one. The app just collects anonymous data on your device usage and pays you for it. No snooping on your web history or personal info. Just sit back, let it run, and pocket around $60 a year. Website 3. Ever wondered if your browsing habits could earn you some cash? Imagine making money effortlessly just by having an app quietly observe your online behavior. Well, let me introduce you to Savvy Connect. Picture this. You're browsing the web, checking emails, scrolling through social media, all while Savvy Connect quietly gathers data in the background. It's like having a silent money-making assistant on every device you own. And here's the kicker. The more device you have it on, the more you earn. With up to $15 a month for doing particularly nothing, it's a no-brainer. After all, your data is already being harvested by countless apps and websites. Why not get paid for it? Website 4. Are you tired of survey websites that waste your time with gimmicks? What if I told you there's a platform where you can earn real cash without the fluff? Imagine this. You're comfortably seated at home, making $6 to $12 per hour just by sharing your opinions. That's the reality with Prolific, a research company that connects participants with studies from major universities. Unlike other websites, Prolific focuses on payouts, not games. It's all about maximizing your earnings with no need for distractions. Website 5. Ever thought about audiobooks? Imagine this. You're driving, working out, or doing some chores while investing in yourself. Audible offers a range of audiobooks and podcasts to listen and earn. Website 6. Ever wished money could just magically appear? Well, with an app like Webull, it sort of can. Imagine snagging 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000 just for signing up and depositing any amount, even a penny. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's legit. Webull is a stock investment app that makes getting started in the market a breeze. Picture this. You open the app, sign up, breeze through the process, link your bank account, and boom, you're on your way to potentially making some serious cash. And did I mention it's free? Yep, zero cost to get started. Just imagine what you could do with an extra $36,000 in your pocket. Website 7. Are you tired of wasting time on user testing websites that never sends you tests you qualify for? Picture this. You sign up for a website, and instead of endless screening tests, you receive paid tests directly in your email inbox. Validately stands out among similar platforms like Userlytics and UserZoom. Unlike its counterparts, Validately sends tests that match your qualifications straight to your email. No more wasting time on pre-screening tests. Getting started is a breeze. Simply register as a tester on panel.validately.com. Create your profile, and wait for tests to roll in. Most testers receive their first assignment within 24 hours. Earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per month, according to user feedback. With Validately, making money online just got a whole lot easier. Website 8. Are you ready to earn some cash just by flexing your creative muscles? Imagine this. You're scrolling through Listverse, a platform that pays you to craft lists on anything from the top 10 bizarre historical facts to the weirdest conspiracy theories out there. And get this, you don't have to be a seasoned writer. If your list is captivating, it's a win. Each accepted list bags you a cool $100. That means potentially $700 a week. Website 9. Have you got the skills for this cash opportunity? Imagine this. You're browsing online, stumbling upon a website called freecash.com. At first glance, it seems like a maze, but it's a gold mine for earning bucks. You can make money by testing games, websites, taking surveys, and more. Plus, there's a chat feature to connect with others as you work. But a word of caution, watch out for offers asking you to buy stuff. Stick to the free tasks. According to freecash.com, you could pocket up to $162 per offer. On average, expect around $100 monthly, with top users scoring over $1,000 monthly. That's some serious cash for a little effort. Website 10. Got skills worth sharing? Ever heard of Clarity? It's where you get paid for sharing your expertise. Picture this. You sign up, offer advice on topics you know inside out, from business to public speaking. Even relationships advice counts. You might not see yourself as an expert, but if you've got experience, you're golden. People are raking in $100 to $300 an hour there. The average 30-minute call? About $50. That's roughly $1.6 per minute. Dive in and turn your know-how into cash from home. Website 11. Have you ever considered the skills needed for website testing? Picture this. You're casually scrolling through websites on your phone and suddenly, you stumble upon user feel. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest online. You sign up, take a qualification test, and voila! You're earning money by simply testing websites, apps, or prototypes. User feel offers tests lasting 5 to 6 minutes, accessible on any device. From navigating an online store to checking out your tasks, help improve site usability. Payment? A cool $10 for around 20 minutes. Website 12. Do you have what it takes to earn from this opportunity? Imagine having a unique way to make money that's literally in your veins. Well, it's possible, and it goes through plasma donation. Plasma, a vital component of blood, is crucial in medical treatments, and its demand is consistently high. But where can you reliably contribute? CSL Plasma is the answer. By visiting cslplasma.com, you can locate donation centers nearby. After meeting the qualifications, you can start donating. Expect earnings ranging from $300 to $1,000 monthly simply by making weekly donations. It's an opportunity to monetize your generosity and make a significant impact on others' lives while boosting your income. Website 13. Ever thought about getting paid to wait in line? Imagine this. You're eyeing those exclusive concert tickets or the latest iPhone release, but you dread the hours spent queuing. Well, on platforms like TaskRabbit, people are cashing in on this very idea. Signing up means you can snag tasks like waiting in line for others, earning a cool $20 to $100 an hour. It's like Instacart for queues. You might wonder who pays for this service, but hey, who pays someone to shop groceries? The demand is real. From concert tickets to limited edition sneakers, the opportunities are endless. Depending on your location, you could pocket $25 to $50 an hour. Sweet deal, right? Website 14. Picture this. You own a beautiful piece of land, untouched and serene. Now, imagine making money by starting that space with fellow adventurers. That's the essence of HipCamp, an Airbnb-style platform for camping enthusiasts. Homeowners offer their land to backpackers or van lifers seeking a temporary spot. And yes, it's legit. Real people are earning cash through it. With hundreds of positive reviews, hosts are pocketing anywhere from $8,000 to $15,000 annually. Getting started? Easy. Just head to hipcamp.com, hit start hosting, and sign up. Website 15. Are you curious about the skills needed for a website like this? Imagine this. You're boosting your income by adding authorized users to your credit cards. Welcome to Tradeline Supply, a hub for selling authorized user trade lines. Adding someone as an authorized user allows them to piggyback off your good credit habits, improving their score. Despite initial skepticism, the risk is minimal as the card is sent to you, not the user. With Tradeline Supply, starting is effortless, earning you $50 to $350 monthly per user based on card age. These methods earn very little, but if you have some skills or time to invest, you might want to check out some of our videos for higher payouts. I'll see you around.